Indefinite pronouns. We use indefinite pronouns to talk about people, things, or places we don't name. She's looking at something under the microscope. No one is in the water. It's very cold. We usually use anything, anyone, and anywhere for questions and negative statements. Is there anyone in the science laboratory? I don't know anything about Iceland. Someone is at the door. I saw something on the table. Is anyone in the room? Nobody knows the answer. Everyone is happy today. I need something to eat. There is nothing in the box. Can anybody help me? Somebody took my pencil.